फाटल्या दिसांनी टार केलो टार actually was washed off in just one rain. I don't know, they said it was only a single layer and all. They will look into it. Please. Arre Baba, this is a matter of PWD, it is nothing to do with me. You all are asking me questions which is not pertaining to me at all. So whatever is there within their scope of work, they will have it done.
लोकांक त्रास जाता,
लोकांक पणजेकारांक त्रास जाता,
पणजे येवपी लोकांक
PWD डिमांड
फायनली लोक म्हणटा की पणजे
आम्ही गाडी चलयता न्हू, आमची गाडी आहा, लोकांची गाडी आहा. I understand that we are also facing the same problem what people are facing, but that is the reason what I am trying to tell you. It is a job of the PWD basically. PWD will look into it. Why basically the road has washed off. I will not comment on anything. I am not a technical fellow to comment on anything. So let them basically PWD see. There must be some this thing as far as the tender process is concerned. What are the terms and conditions that let PWD look into. You all only see Panjim. You don't see full Goa. Goa-सारखे हा रस्ते ते मला सांग पहिले सध्या. Everyone is complaining about the road. I am also complaining, no.
आता सुदीन ढवळीकर म्हणपाक लागले आम्ही तो वाहन वचपाचें उरलें म्हणटा, इतलो पास पडलो म्हणटा.
आता तो PWD मिनिस्ट्रेशन चड बरें आसलें कशें दिसता. So he must be PWD खातें आहा CM okay. So it is CM basically will look into it. What is the problem? So I cannot comment on his portfolio.